Reddy sir.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Speaker, sir. Sir, if you don't mind, sir, if our honorable minister comes here also, it will be better, so that our Andhra Pradesh issues also can be discussed, sir. I think. Oh, you're taking notes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
He's
Thank you,
coming.
sir. Sir,
No,
now in this.
he's also coming. With
He's
his-
also coming, sir.
Yes, please.
No, I must appreciate him,
No,
sir.
no,
That's why I wanted to tell in front of him. Okay,
Sure, sure.
anyway. Sir, this today we are talking on this demand for grants, Ministry of Railways subject, sir. In this union budget now, it has been, it is going on for the past 3-4 years as a combined budget with the finance and railways. That day, we couldn't understand what is there in railways generally. Later, we could able to come. And normally, it used to be also, sir, in generally railway budget means a lot of, things, particularly to the states and to the consciences also, it will be shown. But anyway, sir, now, this budget actually, the railways have been, railways revenue has been stated that 2021 and 22 is estimated at 2,17,460 crores, which is an annual increase of 12% over last year, sir. And the traffic revenue is also increased also by 12%. So the same way the expenditure, the total revenue for by railways for 21-22 is predicted to be 2,10,000, and the revenue is expenditure for the other things also is there, sir. The capital expenditure is estimated to be just 4% higher than the budget estimate, sir. Sir, here now after the COVID epidemic, we need a lot of developments in the railway stations also and the railway lines. So that time totally country was in panic because worldwide COVID situation, sir. And that time everything has come to a halt, even the maintenance of these railway lines. So later it has been geared up also with the honorable our railway minister's efficiency and under the guidance of our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also. Sir, these are the things now, capital expenditure, more of capital expenditure is required to revive everything in this, budget itself, has to be provided. So next year, because the passengers, traffic is also increasing, sir, slowly. During COVID period, totally the trains have been stopped, and later some of the trains, have been also introduced for the sake of migrant workers. That is a great boon also for the people, sir, generally. I must really appreciate, honorable, railway minister for, bringing those kind of trains, because the movement has come to a stagnated thing, sir. It was so miserable that, all migrated workers, they used to walk miles, everything. So all these things, have happened. And really, I must appreciate our honorable railway minister also, sir, during that period, COVID period, because we also used to come to, Delhi. We used to know actually, we were unable to come also when we telephone him. Generally, certain issues there in our constituency areas, he used to take it up also over phone itself. Sometimes he used to call also on video call, and by arranging also, video calls to all the MPs, he could able to resolve the issues also in time. It is a grateful thing. We must appreciate certain things, sir. And actually, sir, now, Andhra Pradesh, as far as is concerned, whatever the revenues, it is stated there also. Andhra Pradesh also contributes a lot, for this Indian Railways. But whereas the expenditure there in that area particularly is very low. I would request, Honorable Railways Minister to look into that also speedily and try to, resolve the issue, sir. And actually, sir, our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu has appreciated actually in this budget. He wanted me to inform this House also, especially thank the government for the dedicated freight corridor project, the East Coast corridor from Karakur to Vijayawada, and the North-South corridor from Itarsi to Vijayawada, sir. These are all very important for our Andhra Pradesh, for the movement of the goods carriers, sir. So these have been actually stated also earlier also in all our meetings, everything, sir. Sir, the main thing is that also in 2014, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, a zone, separate zone, has been actually decided there in the AP Reorganization Act, sir. It has been passed in both the houses. I was also a member in that in Lok Sabha, sir, that time. And that special, that is zone, actually, Visakhapatnam zone, is still, hanging on also for a long time. Earlier, sir, it used to be also, what we have anticipated, Guntur, Guntakal and Vijayawada with its headquarters at Visakhapatnam. But that is not happening, sir, now. And in the formation of South Coast Railways, now, the changes are, have been brought now. It is not beneficial for, Andhra Pradesh, sir, even though it has been stated in Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. So I request you also, through use your good self, sir, that has to be implemented also. And there are other long pending things, sir. If you mention that, there is a new line of Gadwal Macharla, the Vishnupuram, sir, Macharla. Vinukunda 66 kilometers line, which is pending since 2012, sir, Jagaypeta town. Miryalguda, 65.9 kilometers pending to 2011. Tenali, Repale, double line, 37 kilometers is also pending for a long time, sir. Mahbub Nagar, Guti, double line is 240 kilometers. Dharmavaram, Pakala, double line is 227 kilometers, sir. Singarayangedna, Kanigiri, new line that comes in by parliamentary constituency, sir. It is about 66.53 kilometers, sir. I request you also to consider all these things along with this, sir, long pending thing. Kadapa, Bangalore line is also going on for a long time, sir. That completion has to be happened also. And moreover, prestigiously, Nadikudi Srikalahasti railway line. This is an alternative line also when the floods, comes in the main Vijayawada route, sir. That is very much required for the high level, areas, sir. Sir, upper lands are getting, there is no water there and everything. This line, if it is goes, then later also, water transportation can be made along with the passengers, everything, sir. Sir, I request, certain other things also, sir, and I will not take much of your time, sir, Sir, actually, to tell you frankly, sir, these projects have to be done also in fast, because that is as early as possible, sir. Otherwise, everything is getting delayed, sir. Sir, my sincere request, everybody, all the members in this house also will appreciate, sir. Railway underbridges and railway overbridges have to be constructed, sir, many things. But every time, whenever we request the railway ministry, they say 50% contribution from the state government. States doesn't have money, sir. Our Andhra Pradesh government is a newly, formed state, sir, under our leadership of our Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu. But you must consider, as a special case, this RUBs and ROBs also to be sanctioned with 100% contribution from the Ministry of Railways, sir, and the stoppage of trains, sir. Everybody is asking stoppage of trains, even you are also, sir, because in your parliamentary constituency, everybody, all the people, wanted to go to the other places in the speed trains. That stoppage of trains is also, pending for a long time. Our Honorable Minister will say also, committee has to be formed. At least I request, Honorable Railway Minister to form the committee and everything, try to also, give some stoppages for all our MPs, sir. And, sir, second-class coaches, a common man's. This is a pleasure, not only a pleasure trip, sir, this is a livelihood also, trip also for them. Those coaches, they are reducing, day by day. Everything, you are making it also, all air-conditioned coaches. Sir, I request you, sir, second-class coaches is a must, sir, actually. That has to be continued also with, all physically challenged people also. They need special coaches also, sir, there in that area. And, sir, during COVID period, I must appreciate the Indian Railways also, under our leadership of our Honorable Piyush Goyal ji also. Actually, everywhere, people, felt very happy about it. Even now also, the slowly traffic movement is going, sir. Because earlier it used to be by road. Now, people are coming to the railway stations, they are feeling safe about it.
Now, please conclude.
Sir?
Conclude, kijiye, please.
Over, sir, Sir, you are giving only 26 minutes, you are going to your friends, sir. Sir, I'm also a senior member, sir. It's not taking much time, sir.
Okay.
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes, it's getting over, sir, Sir, this, say, COVID period, you have done wonderful thing. I'm appreciating, sir, our Indian Railways, whatever the thing you are doing also. But only thing is now, these RUBs, ROBs, stoppage of trains, all these things have to be considered immediately because it doesn't cost much money, sir. So the capital expenditure means, and moreover, sir, not only that, it's a complaint also, I must tell you that from all the MPs it will be there. No invitations will come from railway people also there in our parliamentary constituencies whenever, any special activity happens, sir. This is a very sad thing. It was not there earlier. That has to be corrected, by our minister itself. So I request you to all this convey everything, sir, and especially our Chief Minister, now Honorable Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, wanted to develop railway link also in many parts of the place. So some of the new railway lines, if it is developed, then a lot of passenger traffic will be there. And not only that, sir, now Kisan Rail, sir, if you see that from Anantapur, you have given, I must appreciate that. It is a big, because boon for all the farmers there in that area. They're all happy, now it is using. It is not only that side, no, other side, this side also. We have been asking also, our Narsarapet MP is also here, sir. He has been asking for a Kisan Rail to go on via Vijayawada, Guntur and other places and try to also introduce it immediately, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.